We are going to discuss about atorvastatin. We will discuss about its mechanism, toxic effects, and the clinical uses. So the first question that right is, what is atorvastatin? It is a drug belonging to the statins family, and this drug is an anti-hyperlipidemic acid. This drug is used to decrease the cholesterol level in the body, therefore is used to treat the hyperlipidemia. The cholesterol can be transported by different kinds of lipoproteins, but one of the most important lipoprotein is LDL. Whenever this LDL is excessively produced in the body, it produces cardiovascular complications. Atherosclerosis is one of the disorder which increases the endothelial damage in the blood vessels where LDL bind, and by oxidation of cholesterol produces plaque, which ultimately results in the blockage of blood vessels. Sclerosis basically the LDL concentration, which is a bad cholesterol, and HDL concentration, which is a good cholesterol, is disbalanced. Basically, atorvastatin works to decrease this LDL concentration and increase the HDL concentration. But how this happens? Atorvastatin can basically decrease the cholesterol biosynthesis in the liver, therefore decrease the LDL level. So, in this video, we will know that how this happens and how this mechanism works, how this atorvastatin interfere with the cholesterol biosynthesis in the liver. So, continue to the video. So before going toward the mechanism of action of atorvastatin, let us caught a sight at the structure of atorvastatin. All the statins have structural similarities. Statins have a general structural feature such as they are all beta-hydroxyheptanoic acids. Discuss that how atorvastatin affect the biosynthesis of cholesterol. Firstly, let us go through the biosynthesis of cholesterol. The first molecule that is involved in the biosynthesis is acetyl coenzyme, which is converted into aceto-acetyl CoA, which is then converted into HMG-CoA, which is reduced to mevalonate, which is an intermediate step, and that's why this cycle is called as mevalonate cycle, which is then converted into cholesterol by means of various different steps. Now, how this atorvastatin work is acetyl CoA is firstly converted into acetoacetyl CoA in the presence of certain enzyme. The enzyme uses thiolase. Now, this acetoacetyl CoA is converted into HMG-CoA in the presence of an enzyme known as HMG-CoA synthase. This HMG-CoA is further reduced to our required product known as mevalonate, which is our intermediate product in the presence of an enzyme in HMG-CoA reductase. The atorvastatin basically act on this HMG coenzyme. Now coming toward the side effects of atorvastatin, the side effects belongs to this class are constipation, dyspepsia, flatulence, abdominal pain. Also, it causes hepatotoxicity. It also influences loss of muscle fiber, which is known as rhabdomyolysis.